What's up YouTube? It is your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All that does help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my videos to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on my videos. And as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, you are here to learn how to buy LV luggage, bags, anything LV goods for steals and deals prices. So that's exactly what we're going to show you here. We're going to show you how to live lavish while balling on a budget. Okay, so let me give you guys a little bit of backstory on how I was able to get an LV duffel bag originally priced at $2,400 for only 910 bucks. So guys, I have the bag here so you guys don't think I'm capping. This is true. I have the bag right here. So let me give you guys a little backstory. So originally, Ashley's uncle had an LV bag, and let's just say it was well traveled. And he was done using it. So he was just going to get rid of it, donate it, throw it out basically. So I told Ashley, I was like, no, have him send it to me. I'm going to look at it to see the condition of the bag, to see if we can have it, maybe repaired. So about a week goes by, we get a knock at the door. It's the FedEx guy, he drops off a package, and it's the LV duffel bag. I look at the bag, and listen, like I said, well-traveled is kind of an understatement. This bag was the handles were ripped apart, leather was coming off everywhere. It was well used. So after doing a couple hours of research, I find out that LV repairs all of their leather goods. So we hop in the car, and we head a 30-minute car ride down to Buckhead to the LV store. Once I'm at the LV store, I bring them the bag. I show them everything I need to replace, and then they start writing up a total. So LV charges different prices for different items. So for example, the handles were $110, straps were $150, hooks, the gold hooks were $50 here and there per hook. And everything has a different price. All the leather on here has a different price. Once we got done adding up all of that, the final price was $910. Me trying to be smart, I asked, how much can I buy a brand new one for? And the lady turned to me and she said $2,400 before tax. So I was like, yeah, just write it up. Let's do the $910 and let's get me a brand new bag. So basically, the bag, the monogram was in perfect condition. The only thing that needed replacement was all this tan leather. So the straps, the tan leather that wraps around the bag, this longer strap, and some of the gold hooks and rings were missing. So basically, I left at the LV store. They told me I could get the bag back anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks. They told me they had to send it back to their factories to get taken apart and basically put all back together with new leather. So 8 weeks go by, still haven't heard from them. So I go down to the LV store to go talk to them in person to figure out where my bag is. Comes to find out, they actually had my bag. No one called me. They had my bag for about 2 weeks, and no one had called me. But nevertheless, we were there. I was happy I got my bag, and guys, it looks beautiful. I wish I took before and after videos or pictures, but unfortunately I don't have it. But just take my word for it. All this leather was damaged. So where you see all this white, cream tan color leather, I would say, basically was all ripped up. The handles was basically all torn up. It didn't have a strap, so I had to get the new strap. And all these gold hooks and gold accent pieces were all scratched up and dull. But lucky for me, the monogram print itself was in perfect condition. So there was no need to repair any of that. No rips, tears, scuffs, or anything like that. So all in all, a great price. So after everything, after taxes and fees, I believe it came out to a little bit more than $910. But in my opinion, I think it's well worth it because it's a $2,400 bag. So that is more than a 50% discount. Let me know where you guys are going to get a 50% discount on any luxury goods like LV, Dior, Chanel, or anything like that. I highly doubt that you'll be able to get that unless you're an employee or know somebody that's a plug, or you're rocking fakes. So my advice to you guys in order to do this is, not all you guys are going to have an uncle that's going to have a legit LV bag and it's going to give it to you for free. So if I was you, I would go to Goodwills, I would go to thrift stores, I would go to consignment shops and look for damaged leather goods. As long as you're able to authenticate them and figure out that they are legit, then once you have that, you can take it to any LV store and they will repair for you. Just depending on what damage, it's going to change the price. You know, if only the straps are messed up, you only got to pay for the straps. If only certain leather parts are messed up, they will only fix that particular part that needs to be fixed. You don't have to replace all the leather. You can only replace the parts that you want. You can do it slowly and at your own pace. So here we have it. We have the KEEPALL on the LV website. I have the monogram canvas. My size is 55. And here you go. You can see the price is $2,360. Gonna be closer to about $2,500 after taxes and all that. But it does come in 4 different sizes. You have the 45, you have the 50, 55, and the 60. Currently the 60 is out of stock. And a couple weeks ago when I was looking, the 55 and the 50 was out of stock as well. So these bags come in and out of stock all the time. So I definitely think it is a good value. You know, if you go find one of these bags in any of the Goodwills, thrift stores, consignment shops, especially if you find one that's damaged, you get it at a really low price. Just bring it to your LV store. They don't ask any questions, no information. You don't have to be a previous buyer, nothing like that. Just bring the bag in and then they'll take care of you and have you out within 6 to 8 weeks. Maybe around holiday time might take a little bit longer, but that's the general turnaround time. And like I said, guys, my bag came out beautifully. I love it, and it's going to be my everyday travel bag from now on. But yeah, guys, I definitely do recommend hitting up any of the thrift stores, consignment shops, looking for vintage LV. So this LV bag, I'm pretty sure, is about 10 to 15 years old. So for me, it is in that vintage category. So I even know some sneaker resale shops sell vintage LV bags, and you can get them at good prices. And all you have to do is take it to the LV store, get it repaired, and your bag will look brand new just like this one. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And comment down below your dream LV item. To be honest, this was one of the biggest LV purchases I've ever done. And it is my dream item. I've always wanted an LV duffel bag. And I'm so happy I'm able to add that to my collection. Make sure to check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Potato Chip. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. Guys, don't forget to turn on post notifications because I will be pumping out a new video or going live every single day. So new content every single day on this channel. So don't miss out on any of it. It's been your boy Tim. See you in the next video. Peace.